Bringing out that Bestechman cicada wing today. This thing is a beautiful knife. White G10, 10cr15mov blade, Chinese VG10 essentially. This thing's beautiful, super thin, super slicey. That edge is ridiculously thin. Jimping on top, jimping on the spine and blade. And the Bestechman logo actually is a good grab spot, especially if you're doing pinch grips. It's got some texture to it and it's fairly sharp. Very nice satin finish. Good sharpening job. This thing cuts through cardboard like nothing. Hollowed out on the inside of the scales. It's got that half liner or quarter liner, whatever you want to call it. Reversible pocket clip. Very nice setup. Good pocket clip too. Lanyard hole. Smooth action. One of my favorite reverse flickers. It's so easy to reverse flick. It's got a good sound to it too. If you don't have one of these, pick one up before they're hard to get. They're getting a little harder to get now. A lot of the colors are out of stock. They run about 60 bucks, anywhere from 40 to 60 bucks depending on where you find them. I got this one on Whatnot for a pretty good deal, 45 bucks shipped to my door. And yeah, it's got a really nice blade shape, great for slicing pretty much any everyday task you could do with a knife. It'll work for. I wouldn't recommend prying with it just due to the thinness. It is perfectly centered. Bestechman, Bestech, they both make really high quality knives. I would buy pretty much anything they put out just due to quality. Not always my favorite design, but good stuff. And yeah, it's that morning knife call. I hope everybody has a knife day. And yeah, subscribe guys. Thank you.